everybody, welcome to part 6 of my series on The Wolf Among Us. So we're going to carry on from where we left. Yep. Okay.
Mirror, mirror, blah blah able, blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Oh, what is in this?
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish
actually-
to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
No, let me talk to him again, actually.
Mirror, mirror, blah blah able, blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Please let me do the woodsman. Oh, it won't let me do the woodsman. Damn it. I want to see
Show
Snow
me
again.
Snow White.
Okay, so she's not on the phone anymore.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Okay. What shall I do now? Should I leave? No, I can't leave. It won't let me leave, so I don't leave. Okay, sorry. Okay. Not the mirror. I want to check this.
Strength. I guess it comes in all forms.
Can you see the next one? Oh. Last one.
What the fuck is this supposed to mean?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Can't I keep all the rest? I want to keep all the rest? Oh, well. I don't want to examine them, although I'm going to have to, aren't I?
We'll start with these. Any information on fables in our community will be somewhere in these books.
I'm basically playing. Oh, okay.
Beast. Beauty and the Beast.
Oh.
Colin and his brothers.
Okay, so that's the pig. Colin.
I've seen this before.
Where?
This symbol on the man's clothes.
Oh, yeah,
The
on
same
the
as
ring, on the
rings.
ring, on the ring, on the ring, on the
Could
ring.
be her father or husband.
Is it on the ring?
This has most of the emblems of the old days and usually what family they come from. If it's in here, we'll have her name.
What about the ring? Wait, this.
I think her name was Red. She didn't make it out.
That's here, isn't it?
That Red Riding Hood doesn't miss me.
No, that's the woodsman.
And him.
The woodsman?
Yep. And his axe.
And that's not. That's you?
I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dwarves. Less said about that, the better.
Okay, sorry, right. What's this? We need to look in here, don't we? Oh, book of symbols, right. It's funny how we open it on the page.
What? I can't read any of this shit.
I can help.
Read it.
Maybe it will brighten your shitty mood a little.
Unlikely. Buckin. Translate.
Please.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad.
He probably wrote this in himself.
Buckin. Translate.
Wait, no, but he's...
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad.
He probably wrote this in himself.
Wait, no. God's sake. I don't want to turn the page. I just want you to translate it for me. Oh, for God's sake. Wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay.
This looks familiar.
Yes, from the Axe of the Woodsman, a druid blessing, actually.
Someone bless that thing.
I only translate.
What's that?
It reads, Mark of the House of the Frog Prince.
Quite who I'm looking for.
I think that's it. Wait, no.
What's it say about that?
It says Bricklebit in an older elvish hand.
What's Bricklebit?
A magic word.
What's it do?
Makes animals shit gold.
Whoa! Wow. That's stupid. Oh, that's the ring.
This is the one. Where's this symbol from? Which family or story?
That's an odd one. Family name? Allerleirauh? I'll go look it up.
Allerleirauh. That means every kind of fur in German.
Donkey skin.
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin, also known as ass skin, prefers to go by the name Faith. Poetic.
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promised.
Alright, this is the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and peace.